I'm joined by Centrica's Managing Director for Energy, Mark Hanafin. So, Mark, can you start by telling us what you hope to gain from this agreement?
Well, first of all, I think it's good news for British Gas's customers. You may know that the UK is currently importing 50% of its gas needs, and that's set to increase in the future. So we need to be out there battling internationally to secure the UK's fair share of those international gas supplies. That's what we've done with today's deal. We'll be buying enough gas for 3.5 million homes, 5% of the UK's total gas demand. And we're also significantly increasing the size of our upstream business. So the £1 billion acquisition of gas fields in Norway will add about a third to our reserves. It will add about 25% to our production, and it really starts to give us a very strong platform for growing our business in Norway.
And why isn't Centrica then doing more in the UK in its own domestic market? Why are you so keen to boost your exploration activities in Norway?
Well, we are doing actually a great deal in the UK. We're now the second largest gas producer in the North Sea. We have the largest acreage of any upstream company in the North Sea. We've been drilling more wells than anybody else. So, you know, we are still keen on the North Sea, but we're also investing in Norway, the Netherlands, in Trinidad, and really anywhere in the Atlantic Basin that we see the opportunity to link that upstream business with the needs of gas supply to the UK. Norway is... The development of Norway is perhaps some 10, 15 years behind the UK sector in the North Sea, and still offers some larger attractive opportunities on the exploration side. So, you know, we're interested in both.
I'm just curious about your competition. Do you expect that other companies could potentially follow in your footsteps? Would you expect to see similar deals going forward?
Well, you know, we're quite unusual amongst the major electricity and gas suppliers in the UK, in that we're investing, as our competitors are, obviously, in the generation sector, in nuclear, in offshore wind, in thermal generation. But it's somewhat unusual to have a sizable business and growth aspiration on upstream gas. So we haven't seen a great deal of that. It's obviously a business where you need very significant capabilities to profit from those investments, and we've been building those up over recent years, and now have a very strong business and a good platform to grow from.
All right, Centrica's Managing Director for Energy, Mark Hanafin, thanks very much. Good to get your thoughts, your reaction, of course, to the deal with Statoil.